Hey, what's up you guys? I have been experimenting with some letters. I don't know which way this goes for you, but we're going to do the letter C with cobalt blue, hot pink, and some white. Alright, let's have at it. I really like the way that these designs, or that this kind of swirly pattern, it makes some pretty cool ribbons. I used a lot of blue, so I'm going to dump it out right there. It's kind of like cotton candy. Well, we shall see what it turns out to be. A lot of paint for this little letter, but I kind of wanted it to do what it just did right there, which was pour over the side on its own. Because I did this yesterday with the, whoa, with a couple different ones, and it was kind of hard to get it out, or get it off the sides, since it's just wood. Alright. Well, that's interesting. Ish. I'm trying to turn on another light. Alright. And there you have it, I guess. Just a quick little video. I'm going to pour that off. A little bit off that side. A little bit off this side. That's what's up, that's what's up. Uh-oh. Maybe I did a little too much. Alright, so how we fix that is we pour again. Because I just cannot stand having like different patterns everywhere. I know some people are like, yeah, but that's art. Sure, it's art. But art is in the eye of the beholder. Alright, let's see what that did. Okay. Well, I think we're going to call that one done. I'm going to bring over a couple other ones next time. See you later. I wanted to bring it back and show you what I did. I started to pour some of it off, and the end result created this pretty thing. Sorry for the glare. Don't know how to not make glare on fresh paint, but here is the end result.